Okay guys, sagutan na natin ito guys. Implicit differentiation guys, yung previous video natin, di ba? Nagtatanong Sir Javi, kasagutan nyo ito, 2x squared plus 2y squared is equal to 9. But now, sasagutan na natin ito guys. Okay, tingnan natin kung tama ba yung mga sagot natin. Okay? Yung equation natin, 2x squared plus 2y squared is equal to 9. If we are going to get the first derivative, this one, Sir Javi, we will use implicit differentiation, okay? We will use implicit differentiation, okay? Implicit differentiation. Paano yan, Sir Javi? Yung itinuro ni Sir Javi before, i-derive lang natin both sides. So, lagyan natin ng dy over dx, 2x squared plus 2y squared is equal to dy over dx, 9. So, dito, i-derive natin yung 2x squared. Ang mayayari, that is 4x. Tama? Ito, maging 4y. Pero, we derive y with respect to x. So, therefore, lalagyan natin yan ng dy over dx. So, dito, derivative ng constant 9 is 0. Itong 4x, guys, i-move lang natin yan, guys, sa right side. So, ang natira, 4y dy over dx is equal to negative 4x. So, dito, guys, para dy over dx na lang yung natira, ang gagawin natin, okay? Ang gagawin natin dyan, okay, ano na yun? Ang gagawin natin dito is, i-divide lang natin by 4y, okay? I hope, na-follow natin. Negative 4x, divide lang natin yan, 4y. That is cancel out. So, ang sagot natin dito, still, negative xy, okay? Shake lang tayo dito, Sir Javi. Shake.